Hello, hi guys, welcome back. This is Benny Ashurov channel. Today we're gonna talk about how to get a replacement for your oil cap on the engine. I'm gonna show you. What happened was while I was driving, I lost the cap and I went into panic mode and wasn't sure if I can get it. I looked online and it was like $39. But then I went to AutoZone and I found it. As you can see, the part is $29.83 in AutoZone. This is a Toyota Corolla Sport 2013. Okay, and this is how it looks like. I'll show you. This is not the original one. The original one is a little bit different. Okay, you see? And I changed the oil, brand new oil, and you just screw it like this. Okay, and you gotta make sure it's tight, because what happens is when you turn the engine, the pressure goes up. And as you can see, while I was driving the highway, all this got dirty. I cleaned some of it. I will continue to clean it more, and we'll take it from there. Again, it's a Durablast. The brand name is Durablast by AutoZone, and model number is 2983. This is a Toyota Corolla Sport 2013. And this is how you change the cap. You get a new cap. You don't need to panic. The price is $7.99 plus tax, 8 would change. But if you go online, a lot of places they sell it for $30 because they're including the shipping, the handling. So your best bet is either to go to AutoZone, if AutoZone is nearby, or Advanced Auto Parts, they have it as well. But I bought it in AutoZone. It's a quick fix. I fixed it under 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes, I found it and I fixed it. And all you gotta do is replace the cap, and that's it. Easy peasy, Japanese. Okay, guys. I'll see you until next time. Bye bye.